baka naendo moncho muligirire nchira ya bene kigima tuakulire iranga aigase tuani ya gatambesemo ya kane ngoba tuno mugeni utoke iga ase studio none other than Mheshimiwa incoming governor kurukunga agose aspiring governor sida se county Nyamira omuskeduka ombagi nertunere gaiga bono mambia ase studio aya masomo mwancho muligirire ndochinga oikire gaiga bono mambia na gukwali ya yuligire tuna sura ase radio na karibu sana tusangese Engambo je kurumo mpaka tuakolire inyoranga chenkoro kwa Geoffrey Onsarigo Matildah
kwa Matildah Obaigwa karibu sana senseme yega nekiro tore nere honorable kuse his excellency
honorable neli.
Good morning Mheshimiwa. Kurase county ya Nyamira mbuyebukiete
county wakire and ko wakira mbya mono Getembe TV
yes
radio ega smogo koranengia
right
at the independence
yes
na democratic.
Oh,
you are contributing. You are not like at a station.
Oh, wow, thank you. That's great.
The station Chinde.
Yes.
Chivenga Getembe TV.
Oh, yes.
We go what the freedom of media.
I want to be living from the mouth of Mheshimiwa. I love that. In fact, kwa vero yo kabiri kote big and take it as some leaders back when it has meeting na inge. I'm happy to hear that.
No, we'll support you. Ntoba support, ntoba sire.
Yes.
Erinde mugende lego semia bantu betu.
Okay. Thank you. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa. Andake asogo chaka ya masemo na ndenda ganinga kerugu kwana ngenege kwanereke igali gira bantu wiguli mugambi buyakigima Duke Ombagi ningo totema lietago na ande more about you. Who are you?
Duke Ombagi is the incoming governor of Nyamira.
Yes.
Jenkuru kenyorukia nyankarangani.
Okay.
Bosamar Ward.
Yes.
West Mugirango constituency.
Yes.
Nyamira County.
All right.
In the Oibo Mogaka lietamanyire mono Mangera. Yes.
Yes.
Inche okoibo rukwane no onyibo ile Nyamira.
Yes.
Ine Nyamira. Na somi ile Nyamira.
Yes.
Mtu Nyambaria. Igo I understand.
Yes.
Nyamira ganeti.
Yes.
Na ande nimbata machiwon spi.
Nyamira
ganeti. Ikiagira igentongo tebi abantu baito. We don't expect your Montaro isko.
Yes.
Ati go solve the problem cha Nyamira.
All right.
The problem cha Nyamira echiko wa solve na Nyamira.
Yes.
Monomo na basai. I want to tell them batch out.
All right.
Wa mnyoro tari ko jojo turwanira Nyamira ngatwa chande kirato konyo. Basai mbari koru nyeri kurwanira abantu Nyamira.
Yes.
Mbari koru South Mugirango.
Yes.
Abasaye ba North Mugirango.
Yes.
Abasaye ba West Mugirango.
Yes.
Abasaye ba Burabu.
Yes.
Abasaye ba Tutumasaba.
All right.
Na babwate mandate.
Yes.
This is their time where soki.
Yes.
Bakonya county the status here kukuwa na tora manke no tora.
All right. Thank you. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Duke Ombagi nere kuigulia yogiria ye ayo Nyamira ayo mumiyo Kisii aye omugusi andunse sole katugu kwanira mangana igajo burai anemono tukuramulikire county ya Nyamira mambia bono kuigulia nki Mheshimiwa wago kwana mangana igabono mambia andake Matildah
Mheshimiwa Ombagi no nyare gukwanira ninki kiagerere abasaya bange bono batenenire bagotebanga mbali ko bwana nyabara bali bara avisi abarai abakoro nabwo okwanira soboime abasaya bange besokire naye wesokire andake ninki kiagerere watu adiriganga yokolige ekiro kyobo governor ane mono ase county ya Nyamira.
Morariat gango tebinga for the long time. Mosayo tumekire bobi.
Oh yes.
Umusayo tebunga no morayo mambi yanya week.
Yes.
It's high time to anodringa etu abire to kungaino mambi mbono. It's not nga toganye toritae tumaja okonyo Nyamira.
Yes.
This is the time to gwate chingo tora minyoke kirase account yeri.
All right.
Toreta machibu.
Yes.
Enere ngaki ikiagero musaye is the investment ye county yeri.
True.
You don't tell me musaye uchire school or somewhere. Then these old guards abanta baba korba beiro bata itiko moibaga mwakata ito collegas bakie miaka 70 bakie miaka 90 ete ode ya baga kanga engakie ino bono ya ikire mo isaransa maega tobatonne ikiagera ingi mwado de school mwado de school to robo raptore to rabuka tuaro robo oke igo etutai de mo isaransa to meni oboko ekero to kwanera ekanka yane okuri obugabana ekirongo kwanera mangana Nyamira will receive 5.6 billion every financial year.
Yes.
Igo kuru tigatura kwana ekiro mugabana yari baso tobis 2022. Yes. Mwaka.
Yes.
Tobe to receive 5.6 billion. 5.6 billion. 5.6 billion. Ekiro kubori mu Nyamira nga noroche value yechivese kitoko receive. I know no akachisimya bange bawo denga mbarochi.
Yes.
Na into basa to renga ki obo komutari chibesechi obo kongu no burai.
All right.
Oburai bori Nyamira no butumbafu.
Yes.
Koikatoche to buonchoreri ekiagera the value yechibesechi korekana koiko burai bori bo change.
Yes.
Chipara chire Nyamira echire pathetic.
All right.
Nyaktari do Nyamira.
All right.
Erini nyaktari okote yomongina. I'm give an example.
Yes.
Kote ngonyoro mongino walite kabisa.
All right.
Omotenga mongina bokanko iri Nyamira. Umeta ko bwena. Otenga na bwena.
Tindiko chako.
It's not because nga bwena. Eringa record nyaktari. Nyaktari is a crime scene. Morocha manganare chi newspaper news amangana kiricho akuru nyaktari eri Nyamira. So management eri nyaktari nembe mariugo tayo bantu baito machine nchiyo. So I want to tell abantu Nyamira nga in the time I'm going to be the governor, I'm going to change nyaktari eri to the world class standards. Ekiagera akuna haja bana nchi baito bakuru Nyamira find out the way to Eldoret. Waru wali bacha ukuru scanning.
Yes.
Bosonga ya nwene ngaite bokomboro. Bon, people most jigiro kwenda Tenwek.
Yes.
Okwenda Eldoret. Okwenda Kenyatta. You find out wait bare Nyamira ba chande gite baroro.
All right.
I want to make that hospital their home. That injire governor ya bero for all these years.
So Mheshimiwa, you want to say by now Nyamira no mugusi Nyamira is not headed to the right direction?
No, the trajectory of Nyamira.
Yes.
Nyamira is in ICU. That's the best example now there. There is nothing yeko korka na Nyamira. Kambiorioro igankenko esoete inse konare kongusakeregen. Look at the stadium. It has costed millions of money. You go to the county headquarters. Up to date. A budget but structures in Nigeria. Nyamira dikiri no lighting CBD Nyamira. It's pathetic. Listen to it. The only activity you retrieve in Nyamira is corruption. Ekiro to kubeka max yegaba ne to mubekera max. Aso we people abuga 100%. Asama gendero. Noeni komitari week.
Mheshimiwa ekero wako nere sector ya obochenu ntubwate chinyagitari nchire bona nyagitari ya mother child eli chinse muchiekerenyo echiro chio anake nchirikorokana koba special ikiagera nigochira se county ya Nyamira nandi chigokore mere.
Let me tell you. Ofuate history nyagitari ya abantu ba special ne abana to start donor funded.
Yes.
Tita besa county chini chibesa chiruete by donors World Bank na ande ngora juice World Bank ya sieka bono montoli umete yani ekiro to bwate governor tabwate maskani ase amaria bana inchi juice ya ari chibesa mpaka cha World Bank yeka bwate ga sieka mpaka bone ga to kwana. There is no program ya World Bank
now
run in Nyamira because of the corruption.
Okay, Mheshimiwa Deuka, Honorable Deuka Ombagi, you've talked about the governor Omuske Hamusi Nyaribo. Now here the blames Chiachira Somo governor, but Omo governor Bunomo President Bwe County is working alongside the MCAs and the county executives. We say county members, county assembly members. Bono ningo nera toko mochiago sinaba bako morosisia machiko.
One, as a father of the county,
account boss,
the CEO of the county, all blame, the buck stops with you.
Yeah.
James in fact, in Nyamira, we also have very incompetent MCAs.
Oh yes.
James, the role of an MCA is well said in the constitution. They are supposed to hold this governor accountable. But when the work is being governor, very young MCAs now back over the governor. In fact, they are forgotten. They are protecting the governor that the manage who they are supposed to protect. So I want Kubodia and Nyamira. One, we cover 2027, and I'm encouraging young people who are very educated, who understand the mandate MCA,
yes.
But take these positions. MCA work the governor jingo. MCA you work the governor jingo. There is no development in your ward. Now you want to go keep this governor on toes. Chief as a Jawal Bank, Nyamira secret project the Quran. There is no single MCA which is governor. Can you explain to us what happened to this? This thing was everywhere. The letter came from Treasury.
Yes.
That's not the work of the MCAs.
MCA. Ntuarolire omugavana gakoba impeached mara gatatu. Andake batembire gusense moya ba MCA batembire gukora impeachment andake nkoborenga aba MCA abaiga bali bari gwake kuranga andake umugavana agende batembire gukora oversight isaine barore ng'umugavana uyuga andake nga ntibari kuibwana bono liborira nerirenga gati ya impeachment na oversight ngayiga igaba MCA babure.
One, MCAs, it is their duty to impeach the governor.
Yes.
When they feel like this governor has become incompetent, this governor has become too corrupt. Now,
yes.
And I want to congratulate those MCAs who took that bold move. And I want to ask them even tomorrow, impeach this governor. This governor is unfit to hold an office. One, let me tell you, this governor, I tell you, igaho PF nga tamanye tiawe kwa lichara, lakini asobo koro bubondo
Mheshimiwa
good in it.
Mheshimiwa amaskani andake uchaso mugavana ikiagera is still the governor amaleta yomo kongo bukora hold yake. Yes.
I want to tell you, we cannot have respect for corrupt leaders.
Yes.
If you are corrupt, you are corrupt. We cannot sugarcoat anything here. A governor is corrupt. A impeachment yachire. Oma kurangiri CMC do siekere ya PNP Mombasa nganchi akachikura. You know, CMC kama nitibwenda kwandaka. The exercise of impeachment is a very serious exercise. MC etabwenda ko miss. Asabande ba wakati ekure.
For the benefit of omo iburu mu Nyamira omwake kuro Nyamira because amangana yuko na abanyamira banyategerete. Can you substantiate nga ekeno mu governor ngo iguba iraro babisa? Nubugate evidence you.
I can pray for you on record here.
Yes.
The last impeachment.
Yeah. Yes.
Ekabane ya kretu simi negita seni ekemo.
Yes.
Aho dabanga James yechinde nonde na kira chiga ntiare ngabo sign.
Igero munyana ka confirm.
Chigo kwa kuruwa semunga notora. Na jero tene notora. You see? That's uncalled for. MCA gero bona nayo kuba micromanaging. Let me tell you, is petoche wake kureringa no. Tani go kwenda usiekeru kwa iruo sengai ngerinde to wa counted. We want to see your boldness. Njote venga evinte vya somwa I don't feel ngambire mbisa ine ko imbiche governor. Tani kwenda usiekeru ile ozene chiri wa msini osiekeire kwa magomyo ngando ba sign indo biane. You know, we need to send this MCS home. Abanteka mnamba they have no space. in this county.
Bono libuli liguchalia chanda umunyamira andake nabura libike byo buno murajo kurunya myora uyibuire Nyamira na ndandake obwatega ngabone yokulikirwe kanene une Nyamira county boss. Bono ine ogwatabira umunyami umugavana na bwate aba MC gete bakumugitera abalenere liyoka. What about development wise? Abayiga balenere barabungo benefit barasi wodi chabo bende kango mbijachire.
You know.
Yes.
Once kwa very compromised.
Oh yes.
You are as useless as anything. Because you have forgotten your mandate. You are supposed to hold this governor accountable. Mutebi governor, chipara chiabone. That's why you are elected. Chipara chiabone, echisarigete. Isi classes nchi yo county wodiani.
Yes.
Basari banambaranyora. Taringa bona no kunya utarana gavano no mone Nairobi no mone ke kasi ya huwa chorudari kolenda governor. You are not a caretaker of the governor. You are a caretaker of mwananchi. So you have no right to chiko pembele sanga nga nchitkani kogoki erindo ngaman amandre. That should not happen. Amandre ya hapo ntukoba equally shared. Kila mwe msiyote ndo what they stand. Even this governor will respect you. Lakini kila mwe nga yanya okomeni ebinzo no amandre otakwa. So at this time everybody we need to work together. We need to come together. Get or not ringa. Time has gone. Tare akora kende. Bona riata itekwe beringa gapa nanga kende. You don't. Mwenda mwangu da jibi director. You know, this thing of buying every TV para, it should be discouraged. Devolution came mwananchi ya benefit. Not count nandi ansikwe award kitenda. Tutagetawa mura ebichana biribya somere. In business. Why work contracts? What unge pare ne koraki nyerosi. Muraba libaje ningireka cyabo bakanuchibesa account ye confirm unge para yagachi buronge. What is the business of the county? Uchikura chipara. Ntuwanye gutwara bokongu bando badanga ntubuga tibira kitanyamira bosongo. They are enough. Eki ntubuga tanto ba complain is abantu bakolegas impanya wakanubeza cyabo. We need to motivate abantu abakano their money in time. Bakolegas yingia chibesa chichensa mwananchi oli ebijana birikwe bikolegas. Mwenda mwa beka chikadi ngibira kitabia Nyamira. I have never seen them in my ward. Nanya koragas byo.
Mushimiwe wodi ya onereli.
Akamto
Musamaru.
Na cross wodi unkagiretenga emba bwato gete timelines buna chi tractor chirichara gukora emirimo kirabale gutaka ne wodi ya Nyamaya ankayi county yekire ase okore machipara kyagera umugano yintu ayokorete nande.
No, they went in amabuta edire bono birabu. You see, we cannot have a county itaite gukora kiregento cy'umwananchi. Now just enguru no akesi yobuli nene
oya kurwe ward yomulisia
akarabando batireta wodi ne chiparesha
ari alimo amumenyibwe ward ya kuna haro agetesi miga igora kwa magana mabesa magana makungusana so timenyo ndugwete manunyo re Matildah
ama nanje bagechiri because now 5.6 billion taribesangi 5. Inko echibese chonse ko bara boni ngaboni ngwisa ransta okoro sautige. So governor ya very go to misuse, and I want to tell abantu Nyamira 2027 imobwate ngaki abene ekiagera kirogeke is not about nga emyakerengo bwa it's about kokolera umwananchi gas devolution wende counting a Kiambu. I was in Kiambu, I met the governor. Okwenda chinyagitari chirebuya nyagitari chibwata mariyogo ECD classes chibankiribuya abana bakwewe bakendagera Nyamira kwa magwanda ngaba neri ekwena no bosigete botamanyiri no nasi boruwete nga no bosya kwa abana inji abana bali bagikora oseruwero nkora at this era abana we have advanced ntuntu alumyedero nkora gotwa hinge school. You cannot give these kids milk. You can copy from even the government of Kisii County. It was a scandal. It's not even genuine.
Anyway, now,
I don't know if it's running.
Mheshimiwa, I want to be very fair. this is the second yebono RC regime iga uno buraibuka kabiri burase county Nyamira and different account bosses omugaka the later Nyagrama. The president of Nyamira Boniga, Honorable James Amos Nyaribo.
Yes.
Kerogo compare. I know your mobile bali baga niri go yirali bageli asencho andake kwa linki yako lekanire comparing obura yubo tanga no bole bororo nki difference ni liro.
No, I can say Nyagarama did better than this governor. You know, this governor when you complain every time ngana tache runse kumbe Nyagarama na maeta waya oda jero monto is. You know, Nyagarama nkoro tuwari kama kori kale mire kale nku kale nge tuwarora some things to happen in this administration. Ncheboni ano mboli ngote bichi wasiri Nyariwe county guard. Some of them are not even known. Ekiagera, you know, ekirere wasiri na ndo tari okora gas. Neba na jimba okomanya. No akira bana jimba Nyamira badinga moma ete jiminisa chega no ni vero munemeri. They will not. Ekiagera, there's nothing happening. These people are paid for nothing.
So you want to say Nyamira mbama itiba abantu bako bakolere mirimo? You see,
oje wakama ete no yomo. Lakini because gas stay there's no way around Manyomondo.
Yes.
Collegacy. Ekiagera, they are not coming on the ground. By Meraba Nanchi launch a project. Let me give you an example. Omo wasiri wabasai Nyamira. Egazi ainere. I've never seen this guy coming out even on media. Onsarigo jone program yabasai monunga lero there's something happening account ya Nyamira. Have you ever heard? When I know my you see, there are people who are ghost workers.
Yes.
Because Tuesday, you know, is surrounded with corruption cases, corrupt, everything is corrupt. No need to go in the Senate. Tuesday. Audio de una toerere ngaki obo ngani obo nene ngabole county yago ekiagera amanyete nkosariare otanga oikari ogireka, you know, omonto no mweko Nyamira ole buya ogotara buyo isaranse mbakaro no mayo isaranse mwadanga bono na arwari
igo mushimiwa ikose anda kechintundi echigato gukwanira igo okorwara kwa governor chingaki chiokogenda bosibwe senate. Is it intentional?
That was intentional. I can tell you that he has been looking for excuses. Oirole excuses mbaka bono cherire because to one thing kwa you are not the one who's supposed to answer. You are chire nabo bisaikomi. You ask to come with the report. Odanga nevira masakara. How do you move from Nyamira? Senate ge yokorangeri gokolikireri ukori ago tebinga karefran injune bintebi oiraneria maswali haya ngakibindi ya Nyamira bire kwamanya kwimuka n'ikibese cy'abanyamira kwimuka abantu sini community senate without money ekyokolinjera ekyokonyu asokorara. It's our duty kwama wigaru waste bangomete ngamasakara ntubugati mambi nandi kuira nwata na arwali. We want to tell Senate we keep it serious. Chikabanika mnechi chinkorobi chinkora is buying time. This is money akwando kuniari ando alichiwe cheito irana. But we want to tell him Nyaribo, you can run but you cannot hide. 2027 is coming. Inche, I am not going to laugh with you. We can't go to make away and do magwa wagari or send a montebinga because he has a lot of corruption case. Let
me ask you, Mheshimiwa, you see, you are talking to Omogusi Nyamira. Now, in the whole story, what can be done to change the leadership course of Nyamira?
I want to Nyamira, what you are getting.
Yes.
Service mokonyora, echirin semono. You deserve mutakere na inumonyore chipara chingia mutakere muroze uchirami. We have seen governors bakwaga chirami. One is it so hard for this governor to build a construct here. We have seen Chigavana Chikwagaja, very beautiful ICD classes. Kwani era be egesurege sana kwa good ICD classes as abana bitu awesome. Aba adi muba is ECD.
Yes.
They are the most misused teachers in Nyamira. Yani ba wakanunga batagete. You know, they need dignity. Babe paid in time. Babe paid good salary. Aba adi mga bacha ile barutire ujaze barutire. Yani ba wakanunga batagete. Others ba abutunga batagete. Count workers, they are paid on masses. There is no motivation even with count workers. About working after 6 months, after 4 months. Let me tell you, when I'll become a governor, I want to tell count workers, you know, if your workers are not happy, then there's nothing you're doing. The first person who must be happy is your employees. If you motivate them, Fanyikazi ba counting very comfortable.
Yes.
Don't expect miracles in the count.
Yeah.
Don't expect giant when the services. These people must be paid in time.
Yeah, true.
Even before you are paid. You know, governors, they are paid in time. Their money is always there. No one we come back. You see, we have a very funny character, governor. In the they have Fanyikazi account. Once I get in that office, Onsarigo not by 25th. I have worked in the government and I've worked in where I was paid on 25th every month. So I'll ensure that the money is paid in time, they are well motivated, there is transparent when it comes to promotions. You know, this county, some workers are not promoted, you are promoted on your proximity to this governor. Or how corrupt you are, then you get promoted. If you're not corrupt, then don't expect to grow in this office.
Ikuka ni tabanga onye omukoli mirimo urangene governor, the better.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I guess so tabanga depending on how corrupt you are. Nga yoko manyira nga last moment obo mukumi anda ko manya kuba konyo promotion.
Let me tell you, administration yomugako, we have never seen where an interview is carried on open. And I'm very sure already they have gotten candidates, so they are just doing it for formalities. This governor will only embroil you on the level of corruption you are. Ask you, how corrupt are you? Well, I'm good in corruption. Yes.
Are you corrupt? Okay,
I will substitute this. Because I don't think I can work under this government. I cannot have this corrupt government.
No, what evidence?
Okay, let me tell you.
Yes, Mheshimiwa.
There's a lot of opaqueness in that county. When a county is opaque, omusunte yani otaro jinki kigendrete ayokopoka kwanyora mambi montaregas kwanyora mambi montokini wochiari. Then what the wunga kira, they don't have papers. What criteria is being used there? This is corruption. There's nothing. It's who you know. How much do you have? We want to set standards in county. You are employed on competence, on your qualification, so that you know if you are surrounded with quacks. Not you expect nyekitari ko era noem not you expect if a minister doesn't even know how onke weapon part omuntu opegeta is because no muntu omoirio omwana umwisoko muswatumi. We want to end all those nonsense once we take power in that county, because Nyamira is a small county which has good resources. The problem emechando ye county eri no borai na then target the abantu banyamira bang understand into twachire isiko twaro barabu ntore tayare koleto borabu boka ekiagera. We cannot have a very incompetent governor mo expecting moreterwa mali. You know, at this era chinto chita bantas ba kanyura maji when they come across, when they nothing. people are getting sick because they are consuming a much bono chinsoko chili kuruchero still 19 something. We expect changes. What is it so hard? Nyamira to bwata macho kunyega to chimita ibe kwanyora macho, having all these people getting piped water in their homes. This is what I mean. This is something which can be done. In Kiken, let me tell you another scandal in Engambo. Nyamira, there is a mining in Okorikanagama. And in the our people are being exploited. Again to get here Motuna Mogas. Ekagere Gabaneria, Jetega Debu, Ekeneke Bus, a sign. Mandora Monding, Ekeneke Bus, Raka Bekaiga, Amaneke Bus, Ekrosugard. Kiritaki Bus, Ekrosugard, Mang. A product is called Crowlin. A ye go to make a crochet biras, Chitaya Janyomba. You know, as a good governor, this are mining to Boatega. Give them condition. I want you to set a factory. You cannot transport all these things from here to Nairobi. Come here. Investors are everywhere. Set a factory. A factory here, set you guide. Then to know Rengi Brashi, Viarosiguga, Chitari Charosiguga. In that process, the community eco grow. Abasai by Bakoroki, Panyo Rechigas. One once he can be the Navy, a Kanaka was a sign. Why we that might be even happening there.
A product and I can Yarengro now my name confirming and a vehicle receiving to be a man.
Yes, I can take it. I can take you back on Yeriko one you see. A back on Yerich factory out of Nyamira.
And now Ekero Mheshimiwa ama Mochobado ara sumu governor according to you. We have the Senate, Senator Nyamira. We have the MPs, National Assembly leaders. Vacholi rekuru chibunge che Nyamira choms. Do you think asokora kwa barabu andake ekiribi interview kolekana libagali abandiri nabona ketuko no senator his work is to oversight the county. Ere ebintu byonse ayo nabona bwatweganga yugo chikogamba kwa ebintu nuko na mamochaya ntotebenga omusenatere uchire bwa oversight the same.
I think now they ngombo kumponi Nyamira.
Yes.
Ngombo right.
Right.
Start from MCS.
Yes.
Njumbaka MPs. Enjoy women rep. Enjoy members of parliament.
Yes.
I think there is a serious problem in Nyamira. You know, every time people go in Nyamira mpaka wana wate banga, there is a problem. Right now, ndo about the instance kamne abana abantu ba tindeku
Kericho.
I have no problem with that. Quand dia danga ntwa korete, ntwa vegete, tokatangaza. But now, the outcome here is not good. Numbers all the mwa charing 13. Here we are being told they are 25.
Chachiri mpaka 38.
We need this governor. Ache even issue statement. Ate venga inchaba ntoba renga 13. And we know our community. Into maite amaskani tuwa toja santo basirire. You know go see na seba nto wataga ni mombe robo. Or osirere mojer. 15 is not a small number. 13 is not a small number. It has never happened under any regime. Nyagaramana rengo ntuanya udwa nambichi. Why are you all of a sudden ngatuatua raba nto 13? Why wika Kirijo baba 25? And in this aba number renga onye kuwaro kole process ye wotanga kwenda turu tindeka abantu makapurini. We have no problem with that. It should be done with transparency. But they being at a refrani go to maybe the last call we are making. Nande abantaba ebare abane bari batano abantaba ne bari komi e ande aba family to abere yoma neme bere ye toko nyake mwa ko imuka botu. Why do you take this body photo? Why? If they are only getting to get right.
Abwase ngane yo anake omo waziri wobo chenu na bwigo serikali kaunti ya Nyamira kagirete nga nabuba bwate jukumu yo kumanyumo Nyamira nga engane yenga kieko nyari.
But even the governor, these are serious matter. It's a national, it's trending everywhere. It's framing Nyamira in a party image. You cannot come out to address issue. We have an issue as SGR. You know, we are very incompetent.
Yes.
And I want even to address the member of parliament of North Mogrango, Muskenya Moko. It's my good friend. But on this, I want to tell you, you failed. You will say you are in this government. You are the only elected of UDA. A map, the initial map of SGR. You have a coward member of parliament. I've never seen a coward member of parliament like this. Oh my God, we have seen the map. There is nowhere. There is no station in Ikonge. The map is on the public domain. It's everywhere. And when born again, check this in the collect the map. Oh my ones the Colombia Bandonga Nga Noere Kwani Naikonke Noere. Where is it? Where are it? We have the map. Ekwende ya sokre. Budget ya sokre. Egetangi Gavere launched. Ikonge teyo. Omo danga bado Noere. Kwani Nkyo kutumeka korora. I think no bunto and the Kikuyu or Siwu Gorigeridi.
Mheshimiwa tutachi gago. Mheshimiwa tutachi gago.
Let me tell you what is on this.
Yes.
The issue of SGR, this is a serious project. We will not have another SGR in the next 50 years to come. We can have, you can isolate us in roads. You can isolate us on this. But this project, another SGR, it is not going to come soon. And it's not even going to come. Even our children will curse us. We don't have leaders bagote, you know.
Ikobano kati tabanga egetange kyumulero ne bagiye guheta Nyamira mbusa nkiriko konyo Nyamira.
It is like a sewage weta buogo isiko echo ya get connected. Ogotamboka abu a sewage yete tabu echo ya go no era no one sewage ya nyumba. It is adding no value Korani God, and I want to tell the president he was to come there. And we are going to tell people if we come. President, don't come launching the same projects you have launched there many times. You don't want you to come and launch classrooms. We don't want you to come and launch, I don't know, affordable housing. We don't need affordable housing in Nyamira. Nyamira, we need SGR. If you are not coming to launch that SGR, then don't come. We don't want you to come there.
Ndiyo mana sana mheshimiwa andake asengane higa SGR korene nandenga na yende tukusabo kwa virasi amangana mukongo andake uchase abarai bachodire bale virogo na buigo asengane higa ya SGR inki mheshimiwa Josh Nyamuka bonete gukora bonika gusomo menyi Onyamira ninki abonete gukora ekero yatokirenga andake map ya sokire abantu mbobo ati station gari konge ango nonya abantu ngogenda bale bachikorine gari yomorero banyerore abantu bomanyenga ki station higa bonete kororokana ninki kebwanete gukorekana as at now.
I want to tell you, when they understand. Yes. Station here, Kobagali Konge. That will be a game changer. Ikonge okina. Ekiroto wote bunga ganto kari Konge. Na ganto getega mokorine pass ya bairo chisondo sia baira soti ngaji kolinero. We are farmer. Nyamira, we are known to be doing farming. For our products konyore chiro ya bwangu abantu baito konyora abasaye baito ba boda konyore gasi koire bintu guchiari our transport noni to go chai kero to go chakato ikera Ikonge. You will be promoting that count. Onekero gondinga na ikera nacho ikera son na ikera sotik. And in the real sense, initial ma bekero Kenyatta cross again. Again, take metari ruto cross. Ruta chaga yonjora. Onye kuwarigirete map eri. So tiki ya bwate station. Ega onjuruga area Ikonge karusu Ikonge karusu sotik. Sotik. Sondu. Abagere babwate sondu bagatwara Kisumu. One thing I was into to Saran's to a catching Kobe in a steer. We cannot forgive George Nyamu. I want to tell him. And this one I'm telling him as a friend. If there is anything he has to do, ekiaro tebrenga nerad he must ensure a map area very updated so that we can be convinced this story ejodo the inga noere we have the map Ikonge is not there but toto map yago ikongero to my wanjanga wakole these stories of okwana iganga kogokia bana inji it's not going to work.
All right. Andake omuligire limbono otonyora sembio tukunyulinga ikuru Getembe Television na boigwa sensa mali radio 102.7 atukusanganere muske duka umbagi se studio ubwate ganga yokoli ikuru kyobo governor e county eli ya Nyamira ikuru tamangana ukwana bono mambia ukwana iru Nyamira no mugushomo gima ndake nubwate birengera libya gumunchu muligire no motegereli what do you do myoka sebe tandao alias jina bachitu studio ukwanera 0741583878 0726447367 na bukulika ujumbe gusoto kwanire andake linde kuigule nayo uraga ni commentera andako Munyamira kuigule bira kwanire uraga ni go support gusoko kwana igoro yebirengera libiga no naye uro mugusyo mugima kuigura magana kwanire igoro yamagenderero na bo commenta emambi yabono wegoto basijin samo chibitandao no tuli live buna Getembe Matildah
Getembe TV tonyore gali chinse mu cha Facebook na boigo YouTube ayemo asemo gendera gusanga na inte tonyore buna Getembe TV ayemo asemo gose live na boigo umweshimiwa ndakingwa kwaniringa na yobolemi nkagiretenga ase amangana yake merigecha kerurete omumenyo Nyamira omumenyo Kisii County andake narore ko waka kokubwatisi abantu waka campaign ase amangana ye bonus na boigo ligoliro koneri wechae gocha somulemi naki engane yeiga ese gutoka kwa nyore use no burai engane yeiga nakira nyare kogororwa ime ya Kisii County ya Nyamira
ndete godeba wegento yato somi no boremi
yes
economic activity ya Nyamira is coming.
Yeah, true.
Ntobu atigasi ende. And I want to tell Nyamira nga nche tingu entertain mondo tari ujugo sikamoremi. Abantu nguchuku empower mono na abaremi. Jusi no tu arenge yanjore gari. Mucheso no roge ende yanjore factory. Asa abaremi bata ito wansa uchesero. We are fighting for those farmers like Yanjore, Montegerete, no 9. Taresapa Mbabegeta Mandaman, and will be there. There is no way Chaya Nyamira, Nechaya Wikoyo, Ego Twade, Etobauti and Nekamne. Ekirumugato Murai, Otamaiti, Obokungu Moremia Wetter, Ekagera. Most of our leaders, if I go bring about Choru, but what we call.
Oh, yeah, true.
Farming, near collector, Evangen in the county area. You go on the issue, you molemi, which I a cow, American Yons, we can't take a coranga, Conyorare Faida, Irie Comogoke. Nere amenyo bogimobia ekiagera ntogo twara abaremi baho korere gas abantu gitaba ke ki director emoko ba elected na abaremi mokorere gas yabaremi tari muchikuibera abaremi ngana araji dege ichia yanjore jigokora omuremi abwenta kanu tigoririgie ekiagera like that instance factory this factory cannot be there onye mwalimu tai chaye te kobo onye mwalimu tai
yes
abari mbeto bagechi to an extent bawanza wa uproot e chai ba give it up no bari I want ko badinga inkoirana ngo soeke roke I will restore hope nande nindwa ne ndi ichino energy chiro toko ni depend chai chaito tari njire tonya kolieru neji broker a good governor
yes
must empower abantu bayo.
Yeah.
There's nothing which is going to stop. Agriculture is 100% developed. I'll go out and get investors who are ready to buy this thing at a good price so that we can have a competition in here. You go again to the gida to wash over them in January 9 as a more good Mogoyanyas Ndangeli. I'll fight with you.
ekero andake tugendrete kurukora bulisimi chomo tegelibere isato igato skuchi bosyo tulile mugusina siasa yaye unatokuja kusangamo bono mambia andake wita 0741583878 0726447367 inki aye oganeti gusangana intuga iga ase studio eye masemo tubanga omogeni wito in the house mheshimiwa Duke Umbagi kiruki obugavana Nyamira na kiki amiriro bote emambi yabono Getembe lo hello Getembe
sana ofte soy no mageniro studio Bwakire
buyakigma karibu sana
omo seneta Peter Muchowenya liwa chasemenyinkwa
yes karibu sana
mujamono in fact mheshimiwa wa studio abwo soide bintebya sana baka naro leve niere iga stoteneine
kai yes
njebone gento nare go kwane gente gesikia na jian sumbuiro bongo sana remember intuna bantu ba to korobolemi antuna bantu twanjitebi asara
yes
okonyora tubuate oro sorts of food to korusire kama na bono chingini tubuati avocado tubuati mesie tubuata matok ebintebinge
oh yes
bono na inden koligere abantu abare serikali ko nga broad base
yes
adirisi mbabwati sauti ba kwa na baigweka ni tiba kolire mono mo especially ko rukisi na Nyamira ki county county ibere
yes
tubata ba seneta babere tubata kigabana ibere tubata ba women babere tubata bakaba MC abuno sa mashinani story gaiga
right
no podio kamira o to teringa ki egente ke stiari yega ki ko ere binto bi wonjora nuno yo minta ko ni rega okay toma te ngegente ki no ko rega ki sa o te soe egente kinkere documented to koligere boni ga yakara boni indi ga digital to koligere
oh yes
ngeri documented how come ense me utore bisteseni bitato egende atwara bibere intuomo na benga bunesti me goete bichanga to bwatie tebo bo orege sunteime
all right
ata waisinje na yote yo mheshimiwa ile studio iga ama NS yari yenyo terigo cha Nyamira is part of Kisii oro gusi basi rori bona abantu ababale broad base babe makini kogendanka bakikora abero akaramba maitigasi wa kwarambuya mono
all right regularly mwananchi kwa igule Getembe lo hello 102.7 Getembe Television hello Getembe namna gani kidogo hiyo imekwama, wacha nipate ingine hapa. Getembe hasi namba ya 0741385878 0726447367 0741583878 kwa nango na tuga talk to us your views. Hello
Getembe
Bwakire buyakuru Nyamira Magombo Geoffrey Obwocha award chisemo chiri cha Magombo
nero you omolis Geoffrey Obwocha
yes
ono digante bembu yamona singe njomo ganyo yo jira ubu yaiga
all right
mangana maya enna bonta te kota banga egento Nyamira arona ngitingo kerati obora ifororo
yes
ekaro kuboligere libu yani miaka tu asukire kesa liberation yeja obora ifororo ekene no bobe
all right
lakini ekene ndate kota byumurayo yorabuga onye mba ko bangestora de jingi ya eraga robora ibo chenche egene nandiri emambia ya mo bagwanyora nandu mugaga ukurukwa nyalibo nwarobi atengento mbuyangu mate binande tiga antagara nana andika Onsarigo na boto kumuranga ya boto mate ya sobo maene
ayo maene kura yaye yes
onda te komate ngai ne kura yane ne yaye mbate lakini na bonda te komate yonya ta kunyara mba kwe banga buya ekene ba konyoro mugako yaro bisito kwanda leti montoro bisibono iga ekiagere karo gorigeri buya ba mubangere kata to nande ya idire bosa kumwembi
yes
igo monto itali monto moliri
I think you do kingukona gali yenteke yes
oyino montoro mungainye kiagere karo moko mwira bakese na diritanga nyirana elia kaberura na elia kata toira baka nande te kumanyekana kende bono igo idiministrante banna ki tigababe kana mo buya buna bona mangana ukwana na mangana maya nande ne kijana ke kana no montora konye
yes
lakini basokira banta bange bako yoro bisiri bakanigiya babaka ne chukura kera bone kana bugata basani baya nabwata abantu bakumusapoti ikiyagera umuntu karo bisi abantu nasima bamuikange nande ere naro bisi bone kana chache none jibese chinyinge kiyagera abantu bayitege ndo baligere ile jibese
all right
bono ko cyare kera basoka isiko ko jakori jikura nabwata basani nabwata abantu akonyire nabwate bono resources ne chinyinge chire bono be bange buya bateba ni boronge ngigergeragere oburai bwa Nyamira bo change na into konyete namuga ni iriam ya mangana yo kwana na maja lakini baikaranze babange bato muntu to kokonya indo burai bo change yamon
uno bosebi omushimiko cyari kwana bosebi bukwanya olire kuraso molisia asobo bugwendo santa gatambalo
Onsarigo.
Yes, karibu.
Muyole ruot.
Tata Nyamira no tulirera chema nibono kurubusiango nyaganchali rugoro.
Ine nkamye tuki.
Karibu Nyabuto Minto.
Ene Nyabuto mali ko mazoka jaje kala lakini Nyamira abantu ba Minto na wale ko to bali kange ba kusumbuka ko to bengo sumbuka bale.
Nande dio kali enda mu gushomo kema.
Ade ko to akeli yo ke Nyamira na ba kusiba Minto ni no to kisi kawo de ba Nyamira kawo tuenzi na banta ba sole.
Yes.
Omo simi ko yo kwa na magana mali kana na mo ile kondo.
Kai, yubona kwa hiyo. Yes.
Kushia mokeri na mo ile konde na mo musumi ko diu kimbe ona mana kwa ni.
Na ande tigama inga no mugambi ka kwa kwani nganigia.
Tenta baiga.
Yes.
Onyere di ko ta kusiba ba tu diga ari konge na ari tire stese ni ta yo bandra ko ni bizo biamo.
Yes.
Onye ko nyar kana musumi ko diu kimbe ba kwa ni. Ese tegie kanunge basa ko ta kusiba kwa na bosa. Ete musiki kaya to bagara karo ji basa mara para kini ba to basa tu digonga na ai tire musiki abu ko ko bosa se ni to ba ko ni ya bukado ba ko ni kele ke to ahora ba ko ni mate
kai
ko to go mori diu giga.
Yes.
Ko diu ki swadiga na ki ko ya tana awa ki ba ito agu si yengima be asemburi na sana asemburi iko ba ta atini baga enda ba be tibanga ni ya bamo.
Yes.
Ote nganya sisi ni yeye kusiga bwana ya mmoja ibere. Akani ile degine nyara kalebo nenga biyo tubla boli fadiro.
Asante sana kwa nitejesi hali bantu ba kuni temu gusi sana. Right? 0741583887 ibiri kaya ngira na somo skediok ombagi katonyo sangamo siasa nero maite siasa nubogima. Good morning. Ayiro ndio mbika kigema tukwa nerabono mambia iguria mangara tukuligerelia ayayigaye ngencho emambi yabono usakani tu otegera na kuligerelia. Shukrani sana Rais Monasi Njugu kwa 92 bono mambia kaducha bande mbali bali kirega bange sana mabuli akaguchaga comment chicho chakachingi sana kalisemi chandao na yebo tasiju bechito kaiga icho nsiku soma tule badai do chika mabuli ande na araguchaga bantu mbali gaba likire sana oh dinise o chami kurwa chisamo chaktutu Nyamira abasae na butuganetie agotebanga wakati wa wazee umeisha. Agotebanga ongaro aminga agotebanga amosi saa 1:08 Wanganande mukuli gaga tingati kunya soba kulinde balikire chinga kichinyinge sana gaiga na andekero mu address mu governor mwata governor muko duane lita umurayo legetino murayo wino mu bisomo nene igona ame mu tegere na so mi mu shimi walende to 10 wikatukwa no murayo nero legeti. Okay, agotega thank you mheshimiwa Duke no mu ruaneleli omwanya bantu mbye mono sana sinjo gutolera kurugagu na Getembe Santa suku kwa na magana maya yakurugo Moses Onyancha kurichisa mu township Nyamira na bakoli kagabo no mambia Getembe fama emenwa kurumenwa Vincent Masonde nerotenga nikundani amangana ya mwale tu mugambiga wa studio. Good morning, asante sana wange sana balikire kulende ngara tige chinde gali kuna sama yago Matildah
chinse mocha Facebook Joseph Omukaya goteba kura chinse mocha Murambo Nyanchogu agoteba nganiri seseria Grace Mura onkware Mukaya na boigo Josephine Gichana Promise Nyabwabo agoteba kura Kasarani agoteba no alemeo Murobere Jelda Msupu Christopher Tandi Victor Sabonsi Magodo na boigo Barnabas Kivaso Jared Nyamancha Isaiah Nyatundo Masongo Sheila Kemunto Bonventure Movisa Dance Mam Kemunto Musuribugesu na boigo Dr. Henry Ochoki Laviana Rogers Nyariki Nyavera omogeni Wesco omoisio Kemuma Richard Nsembe Eriko Soro negatia bali kile ujumbe chavo chinse mochiri cha Facebook anyuko bwate iboli rinde wachaso mheshimiwa wa Dio Ombage kurasi county ya Nyamira naro vekali boli yawo chinse mochiri cha Facebook na kwa so YouTube naro so agari se live chats naro na bukobe kokoboli kwawo aroro
mheshimiwa wa Dio the incoming.
Yes.
Now
the people's government
bakwanire gagwa bange nkiuro ra respond on whatever bakwanire
omorisa grupo wendo moyamono ase support yao And in the thing, we have a strategy. This government has been running with very weak candidates. Uko Rabandako, Akubua, Navantan, Nadide. We want to tell him, Tanya go face a youth in this end time.
Lakini from the comment chumulisia Geoffrey Bocha Kurubu Gwendoka Halima Gombo Woda, I think there is a point here.
Yes.
Aspiring governor seat Mungabeira Bange, do you think you never andaki challenge? Which I say
Nyamira, what they need is civic education.
All right, yeah.
Mugabano, I can tell you. Ukoiva kora kuivire. Ngomolisia tebe chibesa na bugati. Chibesa chini chaba na inchi. At the right time ngole dare chibesa chi. Ndaedo de yaba na inchi. Chibesa chiri chechi para nyariba bwente ko bagachira ngo chiretare. Tiga tutwara tuobo akoliye bese. Tibwati bu. Nade tutagitega go che ground tanya gocha mundu tari gocha matanga tari gocha nyangi tari gocha kende ions ngochare como sokitora soki gocha isko ndo to bateri goria goche kra gocha ire ngawento koba ekiagera ntomanyete chipara cheito ebese nera abugati
ikomujo teba Nyamira iri goria mu governor ko wente kwa collect ground
yes ikiagera bono siasa ire koleta siasa koleta nga nduntu bwati besa ntora iba kurwa and we don't intend to steal from anyone chipesa chaba nanji tari choko iba tari choko beka nyumba umete I'm told ngigabaneje buoye okwenda iga samenye tari karen owanza ochora manoti eri kuru yesieri ko chibese chiri class gwetandana chakorale chichire iri bakorale mattress chibese yedra abendana the mattress. That's what I hear. I want to tell you abanyanyi banyamira intage tundinga no isanegete no borayi bo mugabano ndori ko mwera kiara onyendi yari okora gasi unangondo muzigete lakini kero wa feli odate ko bisachi besa cyaba na inchi ojo chiredenga na chuko baka bakwakire chikura. I want to tell you and to bwa kitwa chande kirenga kintamba chibese chintuma edenko jana jiracho and inajabere automeka dado mudenga jenzi no yenjira basokire bakubata chikura tuko kadi. I want to tell you amusere tuko kadi na wewe 2027 the tactics ya bantu bari anatanya kubwa wao.
Kwa hiyo mheshimiwa uko kadi?
Mimi niko kadi. Nataka kumwambia niko kadi mbaya.
Mbaya sana.
So
yes.
We want to work on our strategy. We have many strategies.
Yeah.
We don't have one. And at the right time, we'll educate them. We'll make him to spend all the money he has stolen from this country. Another thing I want to tell you about again, the SGR. I'm told a president with the pressure they got postponed
wait. Igo na singing shanda ke pressure omo Nyamira ge chirigoro SGR andake na kikiagere tumura ibunsaga
tenenita kyogoja oje Nyamira okolonchi classroom go to secret the SGR ga it was not going to work ojo to devinga ngigente kenkero ekiro to what a map engakie koiranire. You have said you are coming on 14. We want to see the updated map before you come to see Moso Nyamira, because we are not going to give you peace. Oh, Nyamira, into what we'll be singing is SGR. Into we are not interested in any other development you want to bring to us. But SGR, update that map. Oh, Jatare Kuminaine, our 90 Banyole, a map where you already mapema Briar to your feasting. Now, a yetari favor talk about with president. We pay tax. Ingamwana on the wins. The constitution is very clear. The sharing of the national cake, equity. We are not lesser children.
Thank you. Mheshimiwa Ankoni Kwireniria. You Kironga tusikibu siasinini andake ntragenda sumurali Matildah. Daktari Fred Okengo Matiang'i and his political ambition. Andake abangebo niga kulega uno murai. Is it double for him and the Gusii Nation? I go say, how do you think about it?
Ani wakwa na Fred na iunge wangu ningo.
Oh yes.
You know, onye ngakinero mo Gusii. Nyasa ato seseniri nei. Cause oborai tu aborore mutua.
Yes.
Ando mo Gusii atebetenga mandige na amara.
Getembe.
Amandige na raya. Na raya Okengo Fred.
Yes.
Tutageti monto onde wenzero mwana ulikia. That's our elder blood. In fact, I'm so pissed off with the president. They wants to attack Fred, and I also want to communicate with the president and his handlers. I want to tell him, into our Gusii, we regard Fred Matiang'i as our father, and in our family, banamba go tekerera, barorenga isakunya kuyurwe biara koramu. If he's planning to come to Gusii, kochongeri Fred injiri yako mochongeri skari. Then it's high time he doesn't come. We will not entertain Fred Matiang'i koramu diri rabari ya Gusii. That's when we can tell the president. Ngira hoja Gusii we katu ara maskani. Because our president must respect the office he's holding. You cannot start abusing amangana ya okwananga nga abasane nga omubera bwato monene. You know, no one has complained about. We are comfortable as a community. We are very proud. One with that what we want.
Yes.
Ego the mo de nga kogo cha Gusii. Rule number 1, respect Fred Matiang'i. Rule number 2, respect Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Rule number 3, respect Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Don't bring those abuses here. Because ntuono mo Gusii ntobwata maskani asaba ibori wai. Na moiburi tanya koramu Gusii abana bai. Igo chokole binte. I'm telling you, abantu bako surround, they let them advise you accordingly. In Gusii ngora, we don't need you even to mention Fred Matiang'i. Yes. Yes, you just come. We have respect. That's the same way I expect even Fred Matiang'i to go to Sugoi. You cannot go abusing. No ande Sugoi yora amerute njireri. Bantu wakire chingo.
Tiko nyalikana.
To goja ora me Fred to wakire chingo. We cannot clap for you. We are asking respect to our son. Yes, that's what we are asking.
Mbiamono sana mheshimiwa ekero tuwatora kusewatora Dr. Fred Matiang'i tubwate ekiama gya Jubilee the picture tubwate ekiama gya UDA bunabono gendete kwanira chinse mutiri cha ikonge ekiama gya UDA Nyamira nkebwate abarai nabo igontu bwate ekiama gya ODM ekikebwate NDC litkolera uskebwate gikaro kya bene ase abarai ebyama ebiga bitatu nabo igwe ebyama binde vinge ase kero tukurarigiriye ebiga bitatu kero bikomorekerwa aiga Gusii bono mbibwate libirira ndiraro andake ningira nyale gukwandira siasa yebyama anomono ekiama gya UDA kebwate ribaga ekiama gya Jubilee kebwate omunguso ekiama gya ODM bado nkebwate ababwatani nabo igo UPA nere Nyamira
into ngabanyamira nanda mu siasa ambe. We have a presidential candidate.
Yes.
A spokesman wakakamba mwegu tuagadi. Yani nga ukwana kwa niaba Fred has spoken and said that he's running the president on Jubilee Party. We don't expect anyone to contrary to his opinion. We want everyone to support him. We want to paint Nyamira red, Kisii County red. Because if you are not in Jubilee, you are not supporting us. You are not supporting Matiang'i. So, what we are asking, we are ready to sell this party in Kisii. Nikiagira na maskani ya manene sana. Umurai yo mokoro bwense. Fred Matiang'i. You know, the young thing Kenyambi to abia na barabu. Kenyambi macha okoege ento kiae. Agachire Emiake yonsi.
Yes.
Chama eriyo mwana oliyo minta egwa igayewe chama yonsi. The other one the hanga to is a deputy party leader. Deputy party leader is a presidential candidate. A presidential candidate of any party in this country or in this world is the party leader. Who is just ceremonial. We know he's going to run the show. So, abago siti ato tua to tiego tuara. Ente minga kero kende chama eteri ya mugusi. Let me ask you. Chichama chumo gusire nga chirega.
Chiro chinyingira ni chingi.
We have around 5. Let's talk about members of parliament. Parliament bacho ni chama echa mugusi.
Na bakeo yomo babere.
Babere oyomo. So there is nothing you just flying. We need a chama yomugusi. We are not going for Obaigwa president. We are going for a national Kenya. Mosque uro to ile chama. Ele well established. You've got the roots. You've got the chibes. Omahoda mosque gendo rosia ganto esaiga ya. We don't want esaiga. We want presidents. So this issue chama, we want everyone to impress Jubilee. Even me, I'm running on Jubilee.
Yes.
I'm encouraging that sitting governor. He has a kiosk called the Uber. He should plan to close that kiosk and come and face men here in Jubilee. Because if you are not going to be in Jubilee, you are not our friend. You are our enemy. You must join Fred Matiang'i. But we are asking him, let him siasa cha Nyamira, siasa cha Kisii atigerea bananchi boka bakole. We have fair, free nomination. So that January chikandidate jide strong na ndichikumubwatis.
Mheshimiwa Duke, from Kisii ama from Gusii region, both count Nyamira count and Kisii count. Tubate leaders bandi bali in the government. Now, in Onsarigo opposition. How can the Gusii prepare for 2027? Kero tubati nsamuibe.
I want to tell our government comes and goes.
Yes.
It's better. Don't live on. We must be. You know, everyone is working hard for the future. The future is bright. That's what I can tell them.
Yes.
It's high time. Moso bugato wa Matiang'i. Igano enwa nyarande TNG ya zanto so bugato no Obaigwa mabode.
Ikokumira ni kura somole Bible. For the first time Nyamira mugo jigonyora umugavana ogosoma Biblia nando tira zenu.
Ndane kanisa ama 70 day.
Yes, karibu sana uju.
Oh, then you are in the government.
Yes.
When SGR is not in. What are you doing in the government? What are you doing in the government? Nyamira kera chiparacha kera nchi soka. Even one mujumba onega was murango adanje tutam what no empara to kwa unone munone kengese ngyo koraga. There's nothing. Come join the government. Come support Fred Matiang'i. The future is Fred Matiang'i. Because we have 1 year to election in government. I'm seeing you go story no ene abaska abantu de koleta ngango kamatore mbono mwama yetengo kamango. Where have you been? Geoffrey ya so creo na mwa tebe ngabono we can milk ndote etiko randa mwa senga njo mwanu ita so kire. Of course we cannot be the same. Onyo tanga ni muko boko ngakia ona ene ike. Learn to clap for others until your time comes.
All right.
You go entere ya bantu mande umusikia ote banga Fred ne project yani nande ko gendete ko murusie rongi ahori no motiko ne rongi ko murusi mwina ote ba Fred no mwana ne project yani. Your project must be supported 100%, not neutral, not sitting on the fence. You cannot obokolete ruto mwina obokolete Matiang'i. It cannot work. Kutanga so muzimamo ote benga nje either
naturally
nje ruto ngo support Matiang'i. And that's what I want to tell even the governor of Nyamira. We know you are in the government. You meet Fred in today, in night you are in State House. This one, come and challenge me. I can prove. Nimbwati chibicha chiao. Kwanya koro mungwano ligao jesiko gao campaign in Fred in broad daylight. ikakonya kwebisanga we you cannot give Fred Matiang'i conditions. You are supposed to be loyal, support him unconditionally. Taringa wikuwa te chama. No, we are not going to buy that kiosk.
Mheshimiwa, ekiro kurigire kamere omo governor we konti Nyamira musikia mosi Nyaribo ekiama kirigia UPA asa mutuka mange ni gabeto wotebanga ekiama kiri ne ekiama Matiang'i. Lakini asetaro yo musikia Dr. Fred Matiang'i nsemo ya upinzani uchoro ngoro wagusi anake omo governor musikia Nyaribo tarorekane tiande ko kwana no mumenyi omogusi andake ninkiora kwanirenga ogotaboro kwa Nyaribo nkwabwate bichende osengubwate ikintu kindi kebisegete. I
want to tell Matiang'i he should know his friends. Because if you are not with me in day, you cannot be with me at night. Nyaribo no monto mugasogo sekana Matiang'i otukare genteke mero go kwana mangana mwinari. We know it is in the government. Time will vindicate. Nyaribo is the one who is going to receive the president when he come here. It's not that he is in a bad way, but he has already none chame ya hupa. He has sold it to the president. The chameri ya onetu kare. So you cannot tell a hupa is for Matiang'i. Matiang'i has said chama yake ni Jubilee. He is preaching red. Why are you forcing us? He has never come out to saying upa nere chama yani. Now you're forcing us. We want to tell Nyaribo, you must close that thing. That is a very uncorrupt party in this country. Just few years old, but very corrupt. And you want to tell us Matiang'i to run with the president? Hiyo kitu tafunga. Ukuje hii pande nyingine tukonyorosha nomination uende nyumbani.
Yona kwa beke tai red. Ese hiwa chakira.
Yeah, we are red.
What about okay, libalone opa. Ntwate vyama vinde andake bikurugusi buna bono kirigia PDP na boiko nebinde ange ebyama ange bitano kurugusi. Do you think what do you feel like ngomonto ataraswa osumura yataraswa sikiama ya Jubilee igotariko support Matiang'i ebyama ebiga binde birobi mbikonyara kubeka na amo buno mugusi batebenga Matiang'i bagusira otatiga witira se ebyama byabo.
You know, I respect the democracy and the multi-party. But now here, if we could have not had a candidate, we can say that we can embrace and party, we can form a coalition. But we have time. Matiang'i has said, if you believe that you are strong enough, I have a party here which is called Jubilee, and I want soldiers in this party. Because you want Matiang'i feel he has a command. You cannot say that you are running on a Jubilee as a president. Then from Guzi region, you don't have an elected member from under that party. You know, this shame. One, if you really believe that Fred Matiang'i will support as a president, you support him. You come and fall. You say, even to be an employee, na bekirega. Na nchune to be an employee, na biebi. Tigatobe keta egente ege kabwe kemo. If you will have time to just come and form your parties. But in Guzi right now, we have one business. We don't want that contribution. You know, we know the sitting president is using some backdoor means. He's coming in some political parties. But after this election, they just want to form a coalition with him. So we want you to be in Jubilee, first thing, as a first soldier. So if you want to be a substitute, you want to come with your own party, the first preference will be given to people who are in red. Then you will consider you right because you didn't come 100% with us. You are just playing with us.
People in the Watigari, Ekiama Gaudia.
Right? ODM, I don't feel like that should.
No, Mheshimiwa tiganga nganchere libole nileta sole. Tigandeta sole. Mheshimiwa do kombagi from previous, even the last election even to be. I know you've been a supporter of ODM.
Yes.
What happened? Why are you now in Jubilee?
ODM is dead. You cannot discuss ODM. Baba was ODM, and I can tell you, even you watch what's happening, ODM will not win even an MCA in Nyamira and Kisii. We had by-election there, they had candidates. walikuwa wanacheza number 5 number 6. So this party is not there. The democracy which we had in ODM is no longer there.
Iko kwa Kabeiro because Baba was alive.
No. We believe from what the party was standing on at that time. Boni ngechame mara kemo kerega
Linda
ekende kerega. Oh no, we cannot be like that. We need order and in good nyasai nomia authority Jubilee ga, which is a national party. Actually, right now, Jubilee is more popular than ODM. In Juga or the Tromonto, the West Yoko, what do you Nyamira ODM way Jubilee, you're right. Yeah, what they are to be. Jubilee is the only party. Morangeri Mukutano ga Avanto Bacha, but I make Matildah. ODM we go spend money on the Mukutana to the stadium. What is in Bayanga to make 50 million and above for you to fill that stadium?
Mheshimiwa, you are on TV.
Yes.
No substance ya mangana yuna kerabako rangeli bakutumia chiwes.
I can calculate that figure how it worked. No how much.
Mheshimiwa, nasinga ne yo yabantu kugurugusa abantu kokombo bale to ne chigali chinga kimekutano ya gisiasa gokolekana. Why do you feeling anda kento aralitaro ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i abantu bagaje? Na chi ngomorora tuli bikaro vinde abantu ngocha bale lakini kwanyaranga chi basi njipakiriga na seki ndela kiego chikoera gusi.
Jubilee is the most popular party. Let's say in Gusiran like now. When Matiang'i was here, you didn't see any yellow bus around. You didn't see people in t-shirt. People were coming organic. Wakora Vekova Iga vivinde amanto erimo kutano erre uikoba remate ni nani epasi itonga nye monene nga kitokorwa mekutana Matiang'i tebu atibinte. You know, if you want to compete with Matiang'i, I can tell you you are doing a wrong thing.
All right.
Matiang'i is not an individual. Is a community as we speak. That's why most people say, yeah, I talk about because you are fighting to your community. Or you're not monto children community. It's not an individual. Bono Chomurwan, you are fighting with many people. You are fighting with Dukombag. You are fighting with Omarariga.
Yes.
So we want to tell these people who want to compete with Matiang'i.
Yes.
Matiang'i is not your level. You must accept that he is above you and respect him and give him both moral, spiritual and financial support.
Anyway, Mheshimiwa, andake kwani rangege ntekurunga tokens sema gana political grounds yakora wakwanire no ibintebiwe kundi abantu bako bekwali nandi ngwatebanga mugavano wobono na achache nebesa na gwakwa.
Actually, that's
now keroto kwanira siasa chagusi now tokens inki go effect ya mwananchi aso inchunga andake dinyale kana gwita si chibintu abantu bakwegwa.
You know, that's why we want to kick this corrupt governance out of office, because they have created a culture that bando mazingira what nikiro nichibesa kwa barete.
Yes.
Because these people batigire okora maendelero ebako kwa chibesa cy'umwananchi bachariri kwenta icy'umwananchi omwairibwemo omwakrechukura. It should not be like that. Omuntu okora maendelero no gende ground bantu mbaza abeza lakini ikiroteri okora gas ukoriye egendo gobago kinabari yara wikabagwa kama komo.
Yes.
So we are sorting siasa ya soil and it's a reality is happening. No any njengo facing ndengwa the ground yari and batagete wakora ngaki na njengo they I'm not Nyaribo. If you want token, go to Nyaribo because Nero or Bwendo waje pare besa jije Nero wajete. I even asking the young people who are coming expecting to make money from us.
Yes.
I'm sorry. You must rise and fight for your county.
Yeah.
This is freedom, economic freedom we are fighting. We are not here to trade or do business. I don't need you in my team.
Yes.
We want soldiers.
Yeah.
We want to change this county. So if you had the expectation in a one that the team to make any coin, I don't give money, by the way. I don't give money even when I go to any function. At that time, we are changing this county.
Yes.
Because
all right.
Na ande keri bodi ya nelio moelio eke narora ege wasena abiri kinkorora ege kunde koronyamira bakotavuna agenda 2027 agenda ya 2027 ime ya Nyamira nereli.
Agenda 27 is our organization. Tuanze teneke ikirenga yoko enshuanga we achieve the change we want in 2027, where we empower young people. And I want to tell young people, you don't need money to run for an MP. You don't need money to run for MCA. Come, we'll mentor you, we'll support you. As long as you have a manifesto and you believe that you can cause a change, we are ready to work with you. A mentality, you know, 50 million. I have it in terms of brain. Don't tell me I'll use that 50 million, but I'll kick that government out. So the issue, Agenda 27, is we have the right MCS, the right member of parliament, the right senator, and we are encouraging young people. And I like the way Matiang is supporting the idea of young people, because we have seen this other community colleagues Nandi. Look at the governor of Nandi. He was elected at 35 years. Look at the governor
Elgeyo Marakwet.
He's a young man. Come to Nyamira. A very tired, punctured old man.
Mheshimiwa, because of time, chinga kidoche chia kanire andake using the same camera. Kwa nagono mu Nyamira mangana hagobono ayo moeli na koirange 2 minutes gai kwa nere motebi nkigwe to kwa nere no mugusika to kuruka ikase studio.
Ntaido kwa ndo mu Nyamira ngomo de chinga chago chogo chandika. Kiro mairu. You come back. Go chare 2027 abatinya mariga go chande mbaro oseri chinyagitari go chande mba machi nyomba chaino go chande ngabana bano chikazi go chande ngagache chifactory.
All right, asante sana. Thank you Mheshimiwa for coming. Asante sana. And let it not be the last time we have here. Atakuwa ni karibu sana.
Yeah, this will be my home.
Unakuacha kirete? This is your station.
This is my station.
Right.
And now, this should be my home.
Mheshimiwa, anake wakorire lakini umuraivense nkochari. Ase elingana elimo ngiora atebe. Muraivense na achi ange chiwiki bere chiri kose.
I want to tell the president, we want SGR. You can postpone or other project you intend to launch in Nyamira, but these others, they are not important as SGR is important to Nyamira.
Okay.
So make sure when you come to Nyamira, your first priority is Ikonge Station.
Egetange kigali omuliro.
Yes.
Asomo ngino olega Nyamira otegerate.
Mbia mona sana mwancho muligire na Obaigwa motegere ko rasensemo yane Matildah Obaigwa. Basi wano mwancho muligirili no motegereli shukrani sana ndio tuwasangirenere honorable ama Mheshimiwa Diko Mbagi ujule the aspiring governor seat ali county ya Nyamira kwa namangana mangi asa young person as a youth kwa ndebinte bingi gako igule ya masema kerutuko kora twalingino mwako nkorogo Geoffrey matundura na bayigumu ngoda kurunga Elvis Manyera igikusi kigma etimu ya Getembe bono mambia nayo mulino motegereli want to appreciate your support and kambanda asokuligina gotegerera nchinkuru kwa the sun umwana buliro ba Geoffrey Onsarigo tumerane chiga kichinde kulirwa kwa ende weekend. We want to wish you a lovely weekend. God bless you so much. Bye bye for now. God bless.